Ka total percentage jongki scheduled tribe hala ki jongki jela hapo kari India ha ka North East barok kawai. Ha ka jela Mizoram ki scheduled tribe ki don kumba kandai pu 0.0% ha Nagaland ki scheduled tribe ki don kumba prapum 0.1% ha Meghalaya ki scheduled tribe ki don kumba prapum 0.1% ha Arunachal Pradesh ki don kumba 0.3%, ha Manipur ki don kumba 0.2%, ha Sikkim ki don kumba 0.3%, ha Tripura ki don kumba 0.3%. Kibatam nang ta ki long ki jela jongkan North India, West India, East India, but Central and South India. Katkum ka sensus jong usnem arjar khadway umdon scheduled tribe ha ka jela jong ka Punjab bat Haryana bat ro ha ki Union Territories.